means that one is it indicating the period of time. The clock means indicating the period of time. Here the molecular clock or biological molecular clock, biological molecular clock. Biological clock is different, but molecular level we are our study is molecular level. So molecular clock is indicating if the two individuals are there. If the two individuals are there, the their ancestors, they, suppose here one individual is there, another individual is there. Okay, two individuals. Suppose here the chimpanzee is there, human being is there. Chimpanzee and human being. So दिखने में एक तरीके से दिखते हैं ना थोड़ा बहुत. Chimpanzee एक तरीके से, human being एक ही तरीके से दिखते हैं. So the two individuals, they ancestors this time period. Here this time period. Suppose 6 to 7 million years back, they take divergence. Before 6 to 7 million years back, human beings and chimpanzees are same. This particular time period, they are divergence. And those getting the variations, those getting some new characters like a DNA, genetic level, polymorphism, some different characters, that type of the individuals, it become as a like this, and those are not getting, those individuals are carried out same characters are like this. So before this, here there is a point is there. So this one we call as a, in the part of the molecular clock, that means we can calculate the time of two individuals. We can identify the time of the two individuals before they are divergence. That period. Suppose if you take human being and frog, here another one. Suppose here the frog is there. If you calculate, if you observe this human being and frog, and here the divergence, if you take there is a lot of differences there. There is no divergence. We cannot calculate identifying this divergence with one simple line, because there are so many differences are there. The frog characters are completely different characters are there. Even frog also are having eyes. We also having eyes. Frog also showing some respiration. Of course, amphibian with the skin and some parts, but some characters are there. The skin is there. We have also skin. Some characters are, some similarities are there. But the period, if we observe, there is no what we call as it takes very long time period. At any point, maybe it takes evolution, in the process of evolution. On the earth, first organism is a bacteria. Bacteria are we call the blue-green algae, cyanobacteria. With this, so many organisms are developed, like a single cell to multicellular to different. So finally, this molecular clock goes to this biological blue-green algae. So the period, the molecular clock, we can study with this molecular time period before their divergence, how the situation is there, and the study we can study that the two different individuals with that by using this molecular clock. They are preparing some different clocks are there. So the brief study is about the molecular clock means before they are divergence, after the divergence, how they are now and after. Here there is no similarity. Frog to human being, there is no particularly that type of the similarities are there. Like other any animal if you take, so कहाँ पर भी नहीं मिलेगा. ये दो जाकर कौन सा तो एक पॉइंट पे मैच होंगे, वहाँ पे वो टाइम स्केल like that. This is about molecular clock. Okay, you can write like this, and you can draw some diagram and make some points about the molecular clock. Okay.